Unleashing your skills, modal verbs and passive voice. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a topic that can be a bit tricky but is incredibly helpful to master. Modal verbs and passive voice. We'll be focusing on using these verbs to form passive sentences. Are you ready to upgrade your English language skills? Let's get started. Just to refresh, modal verbs help express a range of conditions or possibilities. They can indicate necessity, ability, permission, and more. Examples include can, could, may, might, must, will, would, shall, and should. When combined with passive voice, these verbs become a bit more complex. The structure is modal verb plus be plus past participle. For instance, the task can be completed today. Now, we'll dive into some reading exercises to practice and apply our knowledge. Here's how this will work. I will read sentences, and your job is to identify the modal verb and its function within the sentence. 1. The play might be performed next week. 2. The stolen artwork must be returned to the museum. 3. The food should be served hot. Take some time to go through these sentences. The modal verbs are might, must, and should. They express possibility, obligation, and advice respectively. Let's add a twist. I'll give you some active sentences, and you'll transform them into passive voice using modal verbs. 1. They can finish the project tomorrow. 2. You should respect your elders. 3. The chef will prepare the meal. Transformed into passive voice, these sentences become 1. The project can be finished tomorrow. 2. Your elders should be respected. 3. The meal will be prepared by the chef. Well done, everyone. It's been a great session working through modal verbs and passive voice. I hope these exercises have been helpful. Remember, the key to mastering any language skill is practice, practice, practice. So keep up the good work and continue to use these structures in your everyday English. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons. Until next time, happy learning!